Let's learn how to replace the filters. Start by shutting off the water supply. Turn off the main water valve to ensure safety during filter change. First, open the faucet to relieve all water pressure. Wait until the water flow completely stops. There is no need to power off the machine for this filter change. To remove the used filter, simply turn it counterclockwise until it's released. Here's how to reinstall your filters. Turn them clockwise to screw them in. You'll notice they're designed to sit a little higher at first. This is correct. Your final step is to turn them until fully seated with the label facing up. Press the select button about 3 seconds to choose the filter you want to reset. Then press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds until the indicator light confirms the reset is successful. After replacing PPC filters, flush the system for 15 minutes. This cleans the new filters. If you replace the RO filter, rinse for 30 minutes. This ensures optimal performance. For additional support, scan the QR code, email, or call us. We're here to help.